Hi, welcome to this video on how to withdraw money from your Phantom wallet. First, open the Phantom app on your mobile phone and log in. Once you're logged in, select the cryptocurrency asset you want to transfer. For this tutorial, I'll be withdrawing Solana. You can withdraw to any exchange, such as Binance, Bybit, KuCoin, or Gate.io. For this demonstration, I'll be withdrawing to my Gate.io account. Log into your Gate.io account, click on Deposit, and choose the On-Chain Deposit option. From the list, select Solana, which will take you to your Solana address page. Copy that address. Go back to your Phantom wallet, click Send, and paste the copied address. Make sure the address is correct, because cryptocurrency transactions are irreversible. Click Send, and after a few minutes, you will receive your Solana funds in your Gate.io account. As you can see, my funds are deposited into my account. That's how you withdraw money from your Phantom wallet. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.